Fresh green beans are a light and tasty side dish, typical of Mediterranean cuisine. Today, we will see how to cook them al dente for a simple but flavorful dish. Ingredients: fresh green beans, as many as you like. Coarse salt. Water, enough to cover the green beans in a pot. Start by cleaning the green beans, removing the ends and any side strings if present. Rinse the green beans under cold running water to remove any soil or impurities. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil, using about 1 teaspoon of coarse salt per liter of water. Immerse the green beans in the boiling water and cook them for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on their size and your preferred consistency. Check the doneness by tasting a green bean. It should be tender, but still crisp. After cooking them properly, drain them and, to stop the cooking process, run them under cold running water or immerse them in a bowl with water and ice. For an Italian touch, when serving, you can dress the green beans with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and sprinkle them with a bit of grated lemon zest. Alternatively, you can briefly sauté them in a pan with garlic and oil to enrich them with flavor. In Italy, dressing simple ingredients such as boiled green beans with extra virgin olive oil is a custom that makes every dish special, thanks to the fruity flavor and the quality of the dressing. Following this recipe will ensure you a genuine and delicious preparation, in true Mediterranean style. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more recipes like this, and visit our website for many more ideas. See you at the next recipe.